Welcome guys, welcome once again to another episode of Bars Beats where we make some of the baddest reviews around here and I mention decoding. Now right now in the program we are decode a song and it's called Miracle by Vybz Kartel and it's featuring Demarco and Keda. Demarco is the one who made the beat here and TJ is TJ Records. Normally them produce Vybz Kartel song and they are also his manager. Zimmy, he is also the manager. It's sort of lengthy because this is the official video of the song. So it has a little drama in it, so more want to check it out. Remember people, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you want the latest videos when them drop, click the notification bell. Also share the videos them, make the channel grow. Don't be selfish. Alright, run the tune.
Yo, swag. I mean, my friend. I saw me want go on right now, hungry, kill me.
Wrong day.
Me have no, how much you know? How much you know?
Coming like this.
Do no man. You wanna take life with choke thing, you know, brother. Yo, sell this no man or something look a little ghoulish.
Yo, my cousin, what going?
Yo, is that?
No, I don't know a reader, man.
Reader man? Me know a reader man, man. What you talking about? Me know a reader man. Me know a reader man.
Yeah.
Man, me know a reader man, brother. Just give me the phone, trust me, no, brother.
So I.
Hear me, I'm going to fast forward this because at the song we come for review, so I'm going to run it. Alright? Watch it, let me see if I find it. Here we go.
Flower. No. You know no more problem.
Well, I them gang up, everybody have a problem with that. The who is it? You pour me a bruise it. There's so soon sip it. Them a try stop my food ticket. But if you want the bread up on the crucifix, if you can't feed everybody with few fishes and 5 bread.
Okay, you know, say when it comes to Vybz Kartel, you know, they must spit bars, you know. What I must say earlier, from early out, is that people are trying to overthrow him as the king of the dancehall. And you don't know, say, I'm the king already. So when you're the king of the dancehall, you have to represent the king in a proper clothes, you know. You can't go in a palace with no like a foolishness. So you realize me have that thing here. This is a Jamaican bracelet, so me get at the arcade store, country. I have a bad suit I take out of my closet and my wardrobe. And I have a bad chain. Anyway, back to the king now. So I must say, you have people that gang up. They have a problem with him, who are the king. And they try to overthrow him. So we run the song now and we catch it. Here we go.
If you can't make water turn in a wine, stop waste time. If you can't eat blind or raise dead.
So if you can't make water turn into wine, you're wasting time or stop waste time. If you can't heal blind or raise dead, it don't make no sense. I'm going back from start so you can hear. Watch it now. Hold on, let me find this song. Hear it.
Well, I them gang up, everybody have a problem with that. The who is it? You pour me a bruise it. There's so soon sip it. Them.
All right. So even though, as I said, I fast forward the video. This video now is a script showing this guy now is trying to work a voodoo ritual. Even though the song, the video is a little bit comedic. It's basically a voodoo rituals. Based on the song, so they're trying to overthrow him. So they're trying to do all sort of voodoo ritual to get rid of him. Also, Vybz Kartel will not be featured in this song. Or he's not featured in this song because when this song was released, he was incarcerated. So, let us go.
I try stop my food ticket. But if you want the bread up on the crucifix, if you can't feed everybody with few fishes and 5 bread, if you can't make water turn in a wine, stop waste time.
So, it's basically, this is what he's saying. If you can't do, you can't overthrow him. So if him say, if you are not the man on the crucifix, which is Jesus, who's on the crucifix, which is the cross, if you are not the man who heal blind, raise sick, heal blind, if you can't turn water into wine, stop waste time. So it's all the miracles that Jesus did. He's talking about. That's how it sounds like this. So let us go.
If you can't eat blind or raise dead, cause it gonna take a miracle. If you overthrow the king, you know. If you can't make Peter walk on the top of the water, you're not studying nothing difficult.
So instead here, so if you can't make Peter walk on the top of the water, you're not studying anything difficult. Okay, let me go back a little bit so you catch the part. Here we go.
If you can't make water turn in a wine, stop waste time. If you can't eat blind or raise dead, cause it gonna take a miracle. fi overthrow the king, you know. If you can't make Peter walk on the top of the water, you're not studying nothing difficult. Where you buy Versace for honors, you see me yard, piss it up, yeah, my bad.
So he's saying, why you buy Versace for? And as you see him, you're pissing it up. Normally when I say a man piss up in pants, or pee up his pants, basically is when you're scared and you see a person that you're afraid of, then you just piss. All right, go.
But that is ridiculous, DJ. How some of them favor me so do the DNA, make them go for the result.
Hold on. Are you trying to you?
No man, I am a coming.
Okay, way back there.
Okay, so with everything united.
Alright, let me check everything.
Okay, so here in the video, you see the guy asking for the bag. It's basically to perform the voodoo ritual. So the guy from the start asked him to bring some goat and some all sort of things that he needs. So this is the bag, and the guy is taking it to examine it.
So, I deal with the cause of them good, you know. I don't put the thing, you know.
Yeah. Bag light still, but here we go on. You and you are going to stay. You now come in, you go forward with me. The man don't want a demon jump out on nobody. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, cool. So, more it sound from you and you.
Yeah, the money.
Cause it's gonna take a miracle. Can't tell, it's gonna take a miracle for me to love someone new. Cause I'm crazy for you.
You understand? Yeah man, them wanna take up here for you, like clothes off for life. You understand? Yeah. Anything you want to deal with. You understand? Behold!
You're dirty wicked, I know. I'm dirty wicked, I mean. I mean, I know you. No, oh, you mean, I know you. Please don't back, man. I know.
Hey, no. So what he's doing, he's beating out the spirit from out of him, but he's doing it, as I say, it's comedic, but it's basically this song they're going off.
Yeah, send them. Bad cover, come pick him up. Pick him up, bad cover. Come. Boy, unclean. Sit in there, so.
Well, I see.
Oh, shalom me.
Thing.
So where you say?
Him the boss. Yeah, him the boss. Them say the more you deal with.
Him?
Yeah, man. The boss them say what?
Yeah, it's still unclean. Something about to know.
Yeah.
Something.
Yeah, man. You can't make nobody see this, you know. Don't make nobody see this.
You know how this?
Yeah, man. I'm where I deal with, man. Them can't.
Listen to me. Me don't want to hear who we are dealing with. You need to know who this. Hear what me go want from you now. Hear what me go want from me. You see little rammy where you bring around this, you not go work.
You not go work.
A big project them, yeah. Me go need the whole of the rammy them where you have run and a little pen around the country there. And you see the little brown bar, me tell you very big. You have to go up the thing, my dada. Feel the spirit.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Alright, so what he's saying basically is that what the guy brought to the table for him to perform the voodoo rituals to hold down Vybz Kartel, it can't work. Because Vybz Kartel is a bigger project. I might have to fast forward this song, but let it go. Here we go.
What feel it, man. You have to up it, you have to go bring rain nephew. A case.
Yeah.
And a little salt. See what we want. See salt. Yeah, man. Bring every part from El Chapa that's a come back. This is a big case for work on it. Right, it's going to take a whole heap of spiritual power and spiritual, you hear that? You hear that?
So powerful. I hear that.
Alright, let me fast forward this song so we catch it. Hold on.
You're going to get it.
We're going further.
Call the boss right now.
Yeah, man, we have to call the boss.
No, left for you out in
your handicap.
Yeah, man, short him.
Big boss!
You might hear Demarco now. This is Demarco. And he's the one that produced the beat. So let us go. Demarco time.
Boss, I got Ross chatted from my Gaza, them can't stop it. Them a fast profit free with
the boss right now.
Yeah, man, we have to call the boss.
No, left for you out in
your handicap.
Yeah, man, short him.
Big boss!
Burn up boss, I got Ross chatted from my Gaza, them can't stop it. Them a fast profit free with tool in a cause traffic. Them a try drain at the energy. Wall socket, I feel laugh at it. Free will level higher narcotics. You see and boat run past them fast rocket. Got the bad mind for cause the boss lock it.
Yeah.
The DNA come out and them no want a part of it. Tell the mother get the pick the two man me want jacket.
Yeah.
It have to be a miracle, but I know it lick a chip and a mayonnaise. At the baddest thing in a this a day and age. But up a the runner up, everything I rearrange. Me tell you no already, me see the DNAs. At the higher son them, but them never get a name. Is a shame of the mother them to be blamed. One of them run where the nether one to do the same. Welcome to the game.
It's gonna take a miracle. Can't tell, it's gonna take a miracle for me to love someone new. Cause I'm crazy for you.
But they want to hold up the teacher. And tell your teacher, what for that foolish never talk. But anyway, we have rum bar, we have everything, plus the boy them with some real nephew. Plus the boy them.
Okay, so this is the official video of this song. So this is it. It's called Miracle. It's one of my favorite songs from Vybz Kartel, and you know him have a ton load of songs. So here one of people is not me alone. Some more have to know what I think about the video, about the song, about the review. And as usual, this is Duke, can we say, half that.